I know everyone talks about scaling their AI automation to 10K, 50K, 100K, or 200K a month. But what nobody talks about is how hard it is just to get your first paying client. And I get it, you're not sure what niche to focus on. You don't know if your skills are good enough. And every single day you probably see a YouTube video, some 18, 19-year-old kid claiming that they made $200,000-$300,000 a month selling AI automation, which is absolute nonsense. And I created a separate video on that, so check that out if you get a chance. But anyways, I don't want to rant here. I just want to tell you from experience, I've had an AI agency for over a year now, and I'll tell you what worked for me and for the members in my private community where we talk and discuss details about getting your first clients. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Here's why getting your first client is really, really hard. And again, this is not a skills problem. It's actually a focus problem. People try to sell AI automations for gyms, then to dentists, then to e-commerce, then to real estate, and then end up getting nowhere, right? That's the recipe for disaster. It's not a recipe for success. Now, the reason why getting your first client is hard is because honestly, you're not going to know what offer works yet, right? You don't have a process or a case study. You doubt yourself every step of the way, and that's normal. That's exactly how it's supposed to feel at the beginning, just like every business, especially if it's a business or a industry that you're stepping in for the first time, right? So here's the real path that works. Again, this is exactly from the experience that worked for me and for a bunch of people inside my community. What you do is you pick one niche, even if it's not sexy at all, right? You spend, let's say, a week learning their pain points, whether it's done through forums, reviews, YouTube comments, or whatever sources that are out there available. I mean, there's lots of sources at this point. Reddit is a gold mine for that, for example, where businesses actually post their problems. So that's a great space for you to take a look at the specific niche you're looking for and take a look at the problems that those businesses are facing. Now, what you need to do is afterwards, you build one small solution using AI. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? Then what you do is you reach out to 5 to 10 people and you offer it for free or cheap just to prove it works. Again, don't worry about pricing at this specific stage. You want to just get the first person to say yes to your solution. And then that's how your momentum will start. And again, like I said, don't worry about scaling or logos. Your only job is to get one person to say yes to your AI automation. Now, again, like I mentioned before, I know every 18, 19-year-old kid on YouTube is telling you that you just have to follow their prompt pack and you'll make $200K a month. That's not just wrong, it's extremely harmful because it actually makes hard-working people feel like they're doing something wrong, right? And you're not. It just takes real work. And if you are somebody who's had life experience, enough life experience and business experience, you know that every business requires hard work in order for you to be successful. Now, here's the shameless plug. I know everyone is selling something these days, but while most of these people are selling you hype and fake screenshots, I actually run a private AI community called AI Workshop, where I actually show people real step-by-step process to get their first client. And it's a step-by-step daily accountability guide to get you your first client. And again, it's not flashy. You're not going to make $100,000 a month in 30 days. I got to be honest with you. But if you're willing to work and want the truth, not just trends, it's built for you. So make sure you check out the community. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Hopefully I'll see you inside the community. If not, I truly wish you good luck. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer to comments as much as I can. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.